BB, why you get lost again?
Hello and welcome to my channel. So just a short little vlog today. A little while ago I did a few videos on fitting the top box to a Suzuki GSX-8S and my experiences with it, and yes, this is yet another video to do with that. Mixed experiences with that, really. Not too good. I fitted the box a while ago, top box, 37 litre, Givey, really good quality. Nothing wrong with the box. Bloody hell, look at the size of these potholes. Really, roads in the UK are really bad now. Yeah, I fitted the box. It was good. Plenty of space, storage space. The rails were really good as well, which it fitted on. Another pothole there. So there's no problem with the quality of the box or the rails which it fits on. It's just the stability. It made the bike, wow, made the bike wobble all over the place. It made it quite unstable, especially with a bit of weight in the back as well. I mean, yeah, it's going to catch the wind. When you overtake a lorry, I could feel like the crosswinds hitting the bike, which felt a bit unnerving. But I thought I'd come across a solution in a previous video where I adjusted the preload, and it seemed to make a lot of difference. It seemed to be more stable. It seemed to be a lot better. But about a week later, I did a bit of grocery shopping and loaded the box up, and a few too many bananas, and the box was quite heavy, and yeah, it was not good. It made the back end bounce and the front felt like it was wobbly, and it was okay in a straight line, but when you went around a roundabout or on a corner, it just felt slow and sluggish in turning. Did not feel good at all. So one of my subscribers, thank you very much, he suggested that it may be the actual where the box is fitted. It looked like it was fitted quite a long way back from the rear of the bike, overhanging the rear wheel. So that's going to obviously make a lot more leverage on the bike, acting a bit like a cantilever. Another subscriber suggested I look at something called a tail bag. The one he was looking at, I think, was called a Q bag. I didn't really know much about tail bags, so I had a quick look at a tail bag, and yeah, they looked fairly good. So I ordered quite a cheap bag off Temu, and yeah, so what I've now done is I've removed the Givey top box and the Kappa rails, monorails I think they're called, and I've fitted the bag on, and wow, what a difference that's made. I've lost a little bit of storage space, but the bag is extendable, but it has made a massive difference to the handling of the bike. Yeah, I didn't realise just how much of a difference it's actually made, especially with the stability in that. Yeah, it feels a lot better. It feels like how the bike used to feel when I first got it. I've forgotten how that actually felt, really. It turns into the corners so much quicker. It feels more nimble. It doesn't bounce around a bit. It just feels more stable. So yeah, what I'll do, I'm going to find somewhere to pull over in a little while, and I'll show you what the bag looks like. Right, let's just have a little look. Let's have a little look at this tail bag. So yeah, it's quite a handy little thing. It straps on by these little straps on the tail bit. I'll put a few extra ones on, but they're really easy to get off. It's got this like stringy stuff which I'll put my gloves under, which is really good. I don't think it's waterproof, but there is a waterproof inner bag which you can use. Just unzip it, and yeah, I can get all sorts of stuff in there. I got my D-lock in there, waterproofs, puncture repair kit, the visor cleaner, and a cloth. And it's also expandable as well. There's a couple of little straps on the back and again on the front, which then raises it up. You get another 6 or 7 litres in space. So I think that looks a lot better than the top box. I mean, I've got a tank bag as well which I can use if I go touring and maybe sort of like camping for a few nights. I'll probably ditch that and put my bigger roll top bag on the back, and then strap the tent onto the back of that, and then have the tank bag. But that has made a big difference. I've lost some space, storage capacity, but I'm not too bothered, to be honest, because if I do need a bit of storage, I'll just take my backpack. And I don't really use the backpack much, unless you know, apart from when I go to the gym in the mornings and that. But that, I think I'm going to stick with that for a while. It has transformed the feel of the bike by taking off the top box. So yeah, that top box and the rails were really good. They're good quality. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with the top box or the rails. The mono rails, I think it is, and the Givy top box, perfect, really good. Except on this bike, I don't think it works quite well. But anyway, I'm learning. I'm quite new to this, so yeah, there you go. And I'm just here at a place called Felixstowe. Anyway, on that note, thanks for watching.